Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. So in today's video, as you see, I sent one of my Chanel bag to leather surgeon. I just received the bag, so I wanted to do an unveiling of the repair that was done on the bag, and then I'll go into a little bit more detail of what I requested. Anyway, if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Come join the family. We talk about everything bag related, from contemporary all the way to luxury. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the continuing support. And let's get into this unveiling. Okay, guys. So as I stated, I did send one of my bags to leather surgeon. I wanted to give it a spar and also to get the authentication done as well, because this bag did not have a code in the bag, but I'll explain to you. Let me stop blabbering and let's get into it. So the very first thing, I did open the top because it has my address and everything, so just to keep that. So you got this right here that leather surgeon sent that says, it says what it is. So it's the certificate of authenticity. And it tells you, sorry about the shaking, it tells you what kind of bag is the Chanel 25 with 255 black with gold hardware, and then they signed and everything. So I definitely wanted to get this with it because I haven't, you guys probably, I think I've only featured this bag once when I did the unboxing, but I really wasn't sure what I wanted to do with the bag, if I wanted to keep it, if I wanted to sell it. Yeah, so I just never really did anything with it, but this was my very first Chanel bag. This is like a over 30-year-old bag. So let me stop talking. Let's go into here. And their packaging is just amazing, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you. As you can see, it's very stuffed, so it really protects the bag. And then I also did like I also pay for like insurance and stuff. So it comes in this dust bag that says leather surgeon. And then let's get into the bag. Okay, so this is what it looked like. Alrighty, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I didn't even open it. I opened the box and I was like, oh my god, I gotta shoot a video so that you guys can see exactly what was done to the bag. Oh my goodness. All right, guys. So okay, so as you can see right here, I sent it for it to get spot. Oh my god, I am going to insert some pictures of what it looked like before, so you can really see what they did. They really touched. Oh my god, this looks so good, guys. It looked amazing. Let me get the chain unwrap. Sorry. uh, okay, guys, so I did, as I told you guys, I asked for a spar. So what they did, and then I also sent put an email of what Jerry sent me of what they could do with this bag. So like I told you guys, this bag is like over 30 years old. And so it looked like they did shine the hardware, and it looked like they polished the bag, so it kind of had like a little bit of a discoloration initially, so it looked like they polished it. It looks so good, guys. OMG. I wasn't expecting it to look this good. So you have that. Oh my God. Guys, I don't, wow. Wow. Guys, oh my God, this bag looks so good. They did a fantastic job. Oh my God. It had a little bit of a peeling, not really peeling on the inside, but oh my god, it looked like they really like touched it up. Oh my god, this is, I don't even know what to say. Like, guys, this is the end result of sending it to leather surgeon. It feels so smooth. It kind of has like a little grain, which I will kind of wipe off because it just looked like, because of how the bag was done. And then look at the chain. So the chain was always in a really good condition, for what the bag was, of it being over 30, but it looked like they just polished it and shined it over. One thing that I could say was that this hardware on the front, it had a discoloration. Some of it was coming silver. You can see like the silver undertone, because if you guys are not aware, this is 24 carat plated gold hardware, so it looked like they did polish it so that it could bring back out the gold shine. And then also on here, because I can just see the difference of owning the bag. On here, this section right here was having like discoloration. So it looked like they polished that. And then what they did, it looked like they just literally just gave it like a full spa treatment. Guys, it looks so, so, so good. So I'm not sure if you can see, like you see on the inside. Hold on, let me open this on here, right here. So you see here was even a little bit more like silver, but it looked like they tried to polish it. So it actually, honestly, this is my very first time using leather surgeon, and I'm not disappointed. Honestly speaking, I'm really not disappointed. They really did a good job on here. Like, they did a wonderful job. Like, now you can really see the grain in the leather, how beautiful. This is what I'm trying to tell you guys about Chanel leather. Like, the older Chanel leather was quality, guys. Like, OMG. Like, you cannot compare it. And then even when they did like the spar and everything with this, guys, it just feels so smooth, so beautiful, guys. I am excited. Like, I am really excited. They did such a fantastic, fantastic job on this bag. Like, I was like, wow, yeah, they did a fantastic job on this bag. Like, I'm so excited about that. So like I told you guys, so I did pay a total for this for all of this to get done. I paid a total of, including the insurance, it was like three, I think it was like 378. Yes. So that's what I end up paying for this bag to get the spa from leather surgeon. And honestly, it's, yeah, it's worth it. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So I'm gonna package it right back, because the plan now is that um I had already promised this to my mom. So I'm gonna give this to her, because this will be her first Chanel bag. So my mom is like literally vicariously living through me. So she is excited to get the bag, because when I got it, I was like, oh my God, I think I want to keep it now. She's like, no, you promised me the bag, so you got to stick with your promise. You got to give me the bag. So I am just so excited. I mean, I did tell her that, hey, let me get the, because I didn't want to give her a bag that really wasn't up to par. So I told her that I was gonna get it sent out, so that they can actually just, work on the size and everything, or just get it to what it used to, close to what it used to be. So she didn't mind that and everything. So I'm so super, super, super excited for her to actually have this bag. I think that she's going to love this bag. As I said, this is her first Chanel bag, and it's a vintage Chanel bag. So I'm just so blessed to be in a position to be able to treat my mom with luxury items and stuff like that. It's just like my way of paying her back for everything that she's done for me, and everything that she continued to do for me. So one thing that I wanted to showcase, you see, even on the side, it looked like they kind of like repainted it a little bit, because this side literally, it was coming apart. So it looked like they firmed this side, guys. I don't have any complaints. Like, I'm so happy. I actually use leather surgeon. Like, I've heard a lot of great review about them, and I'm happy. I'm happy. So this is definitely not gonna be my last time using them. Just knowing that they do such fantastic job, especially on Chanel bag. Like, guys, I really cannot see any of the issue. Even the corner wear, guys. Look at here. Even in the corners, guys, like this corners was worn. Like, guys, they did such a fantastic job. Oh my God. I am so, so, so pleased with this service. So anyway, guys, so I just wanted to kind of unveil this repair on this bag, just so you guys can see exactly what was done, this part that I had it done to. And I'm so mad that I told my mom I'm giving her the bag, because now I honestly want to keep this bag, but she's worth it, so I'll definitely give this to her. But anyway, so that this is the video for today. I just wanted to go over this amazing repair that leather surgeon did to this beautiful bag. And if you guys have ever send a bag to letter surgeon, please leave it in the comment below. Let's have a discussion. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day.